How to install the full coupling ID seal Constab fitting. Warning: failure to follow Continental's installation instructions could result in escaping gas that could ignite and cause property damage, serious injury, or death. Here are the tools and supplies you'll need for this installation. Each ID seal Constab fitting comes shipped in a bag with printed installation instructions. Verify that the Constab fitting is the correct size for the polyethylene pipe being assembled. Cut the pipe ends square and make sure the pipe ends are free of dirt, grease, or oils in the assembly areas. Chamfer both pipe ends using either Continental's ID chamfer tool with gauge or Continental's ID double-ended chamfer tool. If using the ID chamfer tool with gauge, check for proper chamfer by inserting pipe into the gauge up to the O-ring. With a proper chamfer, the O-ring will begin to enter the pipe. Using the chamfer tool, mark the stab depth on both pipe ends. Stab the pipe completely into the fitting so that the mark is within 1/8 inch from the fitting entrance. Repeat for the other end. To assure proper assembly and to comply with Title 49 Code of Federal Regulation 192, Subpart J, test requirements, the joint shall be leak tested. The connection is now complete.